It's been several months since I've had an update on this. A lot of projects getting in the way and Minnesota winter. But now that it's spring, getting back on the Hobbit hole, figured I'd give a quick little update, let people know that the project's still going on. I got the drain tile, that black plastic tube you see, and that's under there. That far side of the wall, right about there, that's about five and a half feet high. I'm 6 feet tall, and that comes up to the bottom of my chin. So got the rock in place. Give you a little update on the back side here. I mentioned that I was building up at a slope. I've got a couple of feet of dirt already in there that's buried that drain tile, and you can see I'm kind of building it up this way. So should go pretty quick now because that top course of rocks doesn't have to be 4 feet wide like it was at the bottom. I've got the plastic covering the bottom half. I'm going to put another piece of plastic around the whole thing, around the top, and then it'll be on to the roof. So I'm going to build back into this hill here. Water's going to drain back off the roof, down the back off the plastic into the drain tile, and down the hill. That's the plan. And I got some more rocks to move, so I better get at it. I'll be back with the next update once I get the plastic around the back of the wall, and I'm ready to move on to the next thing.